Hello guys, today I will tell you about Saul on the bus. You are watching on Readers Club. Please subscribe and share our video. Hit the like button and press the bell icon. So away we can go. Saul on the bus. The story is about the girl named Saul. Saul ran for the bus, but Saul did not get on. There was a cat looking at Saul, and he was smiling. Saul ran and ran for the bus. Her friends were looking at Saul because she was late. But Saul did not get on the bus. The bus ran away, and she was sad because she was late, and she missed the bus. Her friends said to the driver uncle to stop the bus. Saul got to the bus. Oh, you know what happened next? But Saul did not get on the bus. It's puzzle time. Match the words that rhyme to the pictures. Do you like the story? If yes, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.